Hello guys, and welcome to DTW Tutorials. Welcome. So I have exciting news for you today. So all the debates, the worries, a lot of people have been messaging me, ma, am I qualified to do JAMB next year 2025? It has been cleared. Okay, so we have a new Minister of Education and he has cancelled that. All right, so there's no 18 years old age limit to enter into university. So that has been cleared. So relax. Anyone can, as far as 16 years, that's the minimum. You have to be 16 before you get into university. That's the minimum age barrier to gain admission into university. All right, so now it has been cleared. From 16 and above, you can take JAMB. So if you're taking WAEC this year, you're 16, or you're going to be 16 in January or February next year, before your admission window. Okay, that's if you turn 16, maybe August, September. You have to be 16 before you enter university. Okay, so 16 and above, we can all gain admission into university. So I promised that I was going to announce, share this, follow up on the updates, because it's worrying a lot of students. So there's no 18 years old barrier anymore. So please stay relaxed and now focus on reading for your exam. Please, I beg you, I always clamor, please don't wait till January. Try to cover up something. You have 2 months in this year, I beg you. Okay, because I've been here since 2017, 7 years now. Okay, doing the same thing, helping students gain admission into university. All right, helping them pass their JAMB. And I know that when it is January, everybody will start messaging me, ma, will I be able to finish my syllabus? Can I still make it? Can I see this? Please just start now. I've always said it. If you are not ginger to study, go to somewhere that they are studying. You have physical tutorial centers around you. You don't want to go, your parents don't want you to go, oh yeah, join online classes, DTW online classes. It is 7,000 naira per month. Join and just start receiving lectures. Just get engaged. See, there's no how, if you're in an atmosphere where there is activity, there's no how the activities will not touch you. Are you with me? Please, I beg you, don't failing to plan and prepare is planning to fail. Oh, I beg you, don't wait till January so you are not tensed up. So start studying now. You can do it. Shake yourself up. Get up from bed in the morning. Leave those series movie. Leave it. Start something. You can just tell yourself, okay, I will watch series movie. Maybe I will watch 2 seasons. No, you want to finish your season the whole day. No, you want to finish like 13. Is this season or episode, or how they? I don't know how they you got episode season. Which one comes first now? Episode season. I don't. Which one comes? Please, just portion it. Yes, entertainment is okay. Portion your entertainment. That's what I'm saying. Portion. Have your study timetable. Now plan your timetable. Follow something, even if it's 2 hours, 3 hours a day that you focus on studying. Please do. Okay, so anyway, this is not the purpose of this video. I'm just encouraging you, I beg you, because I want you to pass. I don't want you sitting for this JAMB exam. 1 year will pass, another year will pass. No. Please get serious. Okay, this is another bridge for you to cross. Get serious with it. Cross it once and forget about it and go into university and continue your life. All right, so you can, there's no 18 years old age limit again for admission, university admission requirement. It is all cancelled. So please don't be bothered about it. If for details on JAMB registration and everything, I will share them. Okay, and I'll be doing some live I'll be going live or doing some seminars which I will announce to you to join, to learn about JAMB registration, mistakes to avoid, several things like that till your exam. I'm here with you all the way. Join our classes. Get the DT, I forgot to say, get the DTW JAMB CBT app. Okay, even if you don't want to join tutorial center, just get the app and start studying. There's class notes there. Your past questions are there. Are you with me? You study. All past questions are inside there with correct solution. It costs 4,000 naira to activate per year. 1 full year for 4,000 naira. You can contact me. All my profile links, My number, everything is in the video description box of this video, or my profile bio. You're going to see it there. All right, thank you, and see you in our next video. You are destined to win. Don't forget that Jesus Christ is coming soon. Please do give your life to Christ, for he's the way, he's the truth, and he's the life. All right, he loves you. Come to him today. All right, in Jesus you'll find everything. Peace you'll find. Wealth you'll find. Health you'll find. Divine protection you'll find. He will take away every fear from your heart. It's in Jesus. Come to him today. Okay, you are destined to win. See you in our next video. Bye.